and welcome back to the channel. It is a wintry cold day. It's New Year's. 16 degrees where I'm at in the metropolitan New York area. Sunny, bright. My car is full of salt. Holy smokes. Shooting in 4K for the first time on a Hero 5. This is also a test type of shoot too, to see how the view is using the phone. This view I'm looking at. Fucking thing, man! I put freezer ready thing, and the thing is still frozen inside the tank. Can't even wash the windows. That gets to my subject today. Should I drive my Challenger or Charger every day in the snow and the rain and the sleet, or use it on a daily basis? Oh, some of you guys might disagree. You know, you put the car up on a pedestal and you don't drive it. You tuck it away in a garage someplace to save it for some other day. Right off the bat, I'm in the old school theory of you can't take it with you. So I'm going to drive it. I'm gonna maintain it, drive it, but you know, shit, man. Gotta live. Car sees everyday duty except for heavy snow, which then the truck comes out. Obviously, it's a rear-wheel drive car. I don't have dedicated snow tires on it. I just put all-season tires on it. Get rid of the 3-season summer tires, which is on some of my other videos. But going back to the topic as usual, I always get off and whatever. Well. Gotta drive your cars, man. Who cares about the salt? Who cares about the rain? It's a damn car. It's not a fragile egg or something. It's not to go blow up. It's designed to run every day. You know? Put 100,000 miles on it. Put 200,000 miles on it. Rebuild it. Go buy another one. I don't know. I mean, shit. Can't take it with you. That's gonna be my theme. All right, more on that later. And what I mean, you can't take it with you is that buy this car, you spend a lot of money on them, and I feel like you should drive them, use them, treat them like any other car. You know, well maintain them. I know these are beloved cars. I think the more time you spend with a car, the more attached you get with it, the more you get to know the features of the car, the brand. Should I say brand loyalty? I don't know. These days it's hard to say brand loyalty because these cars are truly, I know it says Mopar all over it, but you look at the nuts and bolts of this car, and it's more of a German car than an American car. So that's what actually makes it, that's a good thing, because that's what makes it pretty good as far as ride quality and the quality of the parts that are in the car. So I don't know. I'm trying out my Hero 5 again. I just switched the camera, put it at a different angle, trying to be slick about the different angles on this and talking about a subject here. So I might get a little off subject here. But end of my theme. Can't take it with you. Drive them, enjoy them. Can't marry it. And if it fails you, get another one.